Hey there, today I'm working on my Kia. I got a headlight issue, I should say. As most, well, all of cars with these plastic headlights, they get oxidized, they yellow, and they fade over time, and they start to look really bad. Well, I looked up on YouTube a lot of different ways how to do this and go about this. The best method I found, and I'm sorry I can't remember the name of the channel, but this guy recommends Mothers. You can find it on YouTube. He goes over this. This is the best stuff you could use for polishing headlights and making them look brand new. But I didn't follow his steps exactly because I couldn't get it to work for me because my oxidation is deeper than it looks. So I had to sand my headlights. And because of that, I bought this Headlight Restoration kit that comes with all the little sandpapers and grits. And it comes with a piece you can attach to your cord drill here. Bought a cord drill, got my extension cord hooked up to the power. I bought this drill here, you can get at Walmart. This is like 18 to 20 bucks. It's the cheapest one they had. Works just fine. The only pads I'm using out of the kit is the 2000, the 1500, and this white finish pad. It's the final applicator pad. And this, well, the headlight looks like this afterwards. Looks pretty much brand new. I mean, it takes all the oxidation out of it. It looks beautiful. It's clear. It adds value and look to the car. So, as you can see, this one over here is still pretty oxidized. My headlights are worse than this. I've tried another method of cleaning my headlights. It didn't take all of it out. So that's why I'm doing it this way. This is kind of the way I'm doing it, and it works really well. Again, the headlight kit I bought is the Rust-Oleum Headlight Restoration Kit. This was like $15 at Walmart. It might be 20 bucks, depending on what Walmart it is. This here, like I said, I spent about like 20 bucks. So altogether I spent about $35. Well, almost 40 because I actually bought the Mothers stuff. But it's like 5 or 6 bucks. You can find this at Walmart in the automotive section. But I get to keep this stuff and do multiple cars. I can do other people's cars for them and make money off of it if I wanted to. So anyways, I'm going to finish restoring this headlight and show you the final product when it's done. Okay, this is the final product of the other headlight. And the sun might clear it up, but here you go. Looks brand new. I need to wash my car off because it's got all that stuff on there.